Woo! 10 million subscribers! Woo!
Paul from Mr. Beast. Congrats on 10 million subscribers. Here is a credit card to buy 10 Bitcoins.
Wait, why do I always get the banana?
Steal my diamond play button?
Yup. And you'll never guess the code.
Nerf War!
Nerf War!
nice mustache.
Bro, your aim sucks.
is Karen, and we're about to hit 13 million subscribers. Thank you Nerf Superblast for sponsoring this video. Now it's time to wake up Paul. Tim, wake up Paul.
Whoa! What was that? Karen, what's going on here?
Quick, check your phone.
Whoa! 13 million subscribers! Hey, yo, Granny, call me!
Ouch, what the heck was that?
Hey, yo, Granny, hit me again! Whoa! Whoa!
Eric and Anna, we just hit 13 million subscribers.
All right, left team advanced. Hey, flank from the back, flank from the back. Got him, plus 10, baby, what?
Hey, did you guys hear me?
Go away, Karen. We're playing Nerf Super Blast.
You are so rude. Now I'm not going to invite you to my birthday party. What the heck? Stupid hat.
Guys, look! 2 PDK Films from the President of the United States!
Oh, cool, dude.
Alright, well, I guess I'll just open it myself. Thank you guys for 13 million subscribers. Now comment below what you think is inside.
Get me out of here. I'm afraid of the dark.
Sick! Guys, come on, let's see what's inside.
I know what will get their attention.
A burrito? That's right. Who's a good boy?
Oh, who's a good girl? Oh, easy. Don't bite my finger off. Oh, whoa! Okay. Now listen up! Congrats on 13 million subscribers. As a gift, I've sent you this safe, which contains the most valuable top secret government asset. Hey, pay attention! The code to open this safe will be given to whoever wins a real-life Nerf Super Blast battle. 2 of you will compete, and 1 of you will be the game commentator. Now guys, it's time to choose our positions. Here we go. Well, folks, looks like I'll be the game commentator for today's event. Now, Granny, you're with me.
Drop a like if you like puppies. Oh, yeah! Red team, rah! Tim, you're with me. Let's go.
They stand no chance. I'm gonna win that save. Blue team! Yeah! Karen, you're with me, girl. Let's go.
I'm so excited. I've waited my whole life for this.
Hi, everyone. My name is Paul, and this is Granny. Granny, say hi. And we will be your commentators for the real-life Nerf Super Blast battle. The winner gets the government's secret asset from the safe, and the loser has to clean up the entire mess. And trust me, it gets very messy. This battle is brought to you by Nerf Super Blast. This is Granny and I's favorite game, so download it for free from Google Play, the Apple Store, or from the link in the description below. They even added a Granny skin in the game, and you guys can add my friend ID so you can play with me and Granny. Granny is going to be responding to all comments, so hit those comments and hit them hard. Eric and Anna each have 3 balloons, which represent their 3 lives, just like in the game. Now it's time to get ready for the battle.
Whoa! Karen, get over here for the battle briefing.
I'm ready.
Now listen up, Karen, because we are gonna win this.
Looks like Anna created quite a detailed battle plan featuring incredible art, perhaps the best we've ever seen, as well as complex mathematical formulas and a drawing of a hot dog. Now let's check on Eric and see how he's planning for the battle. Is that a charcuterie board? It appears so. Let's take a closer look. Eric's charcuterie board has plenty of vegan and vegetarian options, as well as a hot dog for all you meat lovers, and a massive cucumber. Now I can only imagine what he has planned for that cucumber. And the feast begins. Eric goes straight for the banana, good source of potassium for the battle. He follows through with the hot dog and chases with an orange. I'm gonna have to try that sometime. Can't forget the nuts, good source of protein. Drop a comment below what your favorite food is. Now here comes Tim the Tank.
Good idea, Tim. We must meditate before the game.
I gotta say, this is quite interesting. Eric and Tim are meditating before the battle, while Anna is delivering what appears to be a very aggressive battle briefing to Karen.
And whatever you do, don't follow the pizza.
Roger that.
Any questions?
I'm hungry. Can we have a lunch break?
No! Now let's go.
Yeah! It's game time!
They each get to choose 3 blasters for the battle. Comment your favorite Nerf blaster down below. Each player gets 3 power cards, just like the game, which give you special powers during the battle. And we added a phone a friend card, which they can use once to phone a friend for help. Now it's time for them to make their forts and begin the battle. And the forts are deployed. Anna's is naming hers Fort Box Fort, while Eric's is named Fort Better Than Anna's Dumb, Stinky, Structurally Unstable Box Fort. Time for them to select their first blaster and begin the battle.
Good boy. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Karen. Who's a good girl?
Me.
Now get out of my way.
Is that all you got, Anna?
Karen, bring me some ammo.
Here you go.
Thank you, girl.
Eric just jammed Anna's tie-in with the banana. Granny, have you ever seen that before?
Ha! Got him! Now, Tim, get over there and lay down covering fire! Good work, Tim. Now charge! Dang it, Tim! Come on!
What a play by Anna. She used her banana peel to stop Tim's advance. Be sure to comment your favorite fruit while Eric makes his next move. Eric is playing his first power card, Dino Power. Let's see what happens next. Dang, Eric just transformed into a massive red dino. Granny, do you like dinosaurs? Yeah, me too. Dino Eric is on his way to destroy Anna's box fort. There it is, folks. Eric tagged one of Anna's balloons and is now in first place, but he is not done yet.
If Anna wants to hide from me, I guess I'm gonna have to camp.
Here's your second blaster, Anna. Go get him.
Wow, this is sick! Hey, Tim, bring me some food. I'm hungry.
Ooh, good boy. Thank you.
Eric's got himself a nice setup for camping. Let us know in a comment if you guys camp in video games.
Eric's not the only one who has power cards.
Anna is now playing her first power card, Sneak Attack. So far so good, Anna is blending in with the trees and sneaking her way towards Eric.
What was that?
False alarm.
That was a close call for Anna, but Eric couldn't see her because of the Sneak Attack power card.
Tim, did you eat my last hot dog? Huh. Well, then who on earth ate my last dog?
Anna's now playing her second power card, Overclock, which lets her deal double the damage.
Whoa, what? 2 balloons? Where did that even come from?
Very well played. Anna managed to sneak up on Eric and tag 2 of his balloons.
Tim, bring me a fork. Ah, good boy.
Woo!
Tim, my next blaster. Thank you, Tim. Whoa! The Mega Mastodon!
Stop hiding like a coward and fight me!
Take this, Anna!
Anna, I'm on my way to help. Hold on. Oh my gosh, they don't pay me enough for this. Ouch.
Ah, out of ammo!
I have something for you under my hat.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Shut up and just throw it.
Ah, the classic duck fort, the oldest one in the book. Perhaps even older than you, Granny.
Reloading! Ow!
Looks like the duck is not helping much. Eric is laying down some heavy fire. Anna's playing her last power card, Nerf Nade.
Come on, come on, come on!
Here's your Nerf nade.
Get out of here, Karen!
Good luck.
Nerf Nade, take cover!
That Nerf Nade did some serious damage. Now let's watch as Anna makes her move. Well, that did not work out too well for Anna, and now they're both down to 1 life left.
Yeah!
Alright, now listen up. I only got 1 life left. I can't risk it. You gotta go in there and take out Anna. On you go.
Wow, Eric, too afraid to fight, so you send in Tiny Tim. We'll take this! No!
Yeah, get her, Tim, get her!
And now, Anna's playing her phone a friend card. Let's see who she calls.
Granny, I need your help to take out Tim the Tiny Tank!
Go get him, Granny.
Granny? What's she doing in there? No, Tim!
Yeah, good job, Granny!
Dang, Granny, you wrecked Tim the Tank. Looks like you knew what you were doing out there. Have you done that before?
I guess I gotta go in there myself. But first...
Eric's playing the Healing Bar power card. This should give him more health.
I got a life back. I'm gonna win this and Anna's gonna have to clean everything up. Yeah.
Just like that, Eric's got a life back. Now he has 2 and Anna only has 1.
Go, take cover!
Karen, find Eric and tell me where he is!
Right away, I'll go find Eric. Anna, he's hiding behind the kitchen counter.
Shh, Karen, don't tell Anna where I'm at.
Anna, Eric and his big fat head are hiding behind the boxes.
No!
Eric's playing his Super Shield power card. This is one of my favorites.
Ooh, the jolts. Now, I need to take out Karen before I can take out Anna. I have an idea.
Anna, how did I
You
do?
did great, Karen! And he's like a girl!
Look, yummy pizza. I hope it's pepperoni.
No, Karen! It's a trap!
Hey, get back here. I'm so hungry.
Karen is falling for Eric's trap. Anna did say in her briefing, don't follow the pizza.
Yeah, I got you. Now I'm going to eat you. Hey, what's going on? Put me down.
Ooh, I can only imagine what's going on in that tent. Oh, look, it stopped.
No, he took out Karen's battery and disabled her!
Looks like she put up one heck of a fight in that tent, but ultimately she was no match for Eric and his muscles.
This is for Karen!
Ha! That's a tiny fort.
What are you gonna do with that tiny blaster? Take this!
Eric's playing his phone a friend card. Who's he gonna call?
Oh, I'm pinned down. I need covering fire on Anna now.
Finally, it's my time to shine. I'll see you guys on the other side.
This is my chance to make a move.
Where did he go?
won it all. He eliminated Anna's last balloon with the jolt, thanks to my cover fire, of course. But don't leave yet, because we still have to see Eric get what's in the safe and Anna clean up this massive mess.
A burrito in America's Book of Secrets. Comment your biggest secret down below. Aliens are real? I knew it!